Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is, it was foolish to talk with you. It was foolish to talk with you. तुम्हारे साथ बात करना मेरी बेवकूफ़ी थी. Second, he made me cry yesterday. He made me cry yesterday. उसने मुझे कल रुला दिया. 3. Being a friend, I'll help you. Being a friend, I'll help you. दोस्त होने के नाते मैं तुम्हारी मदद करूँगा. 4. He is always striving to move forward. He is always striving to move forward. वो हमेशा आगे बढ़ने के लिए कोशिश रहता है. 5. I'd like to learn new things, especially about English. I'd like to learn new things, especially about English. ये I would है, यहाँ पर contraction है I'd की. मुझे नई चीज़ें सीखना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, ख़ास तौर पर इंग्लिश के बारे में. 6. What can you do for me? What can you do for me? तुम मेरे लिए क्या कर सकते हो? 7. Interestingly, he is my friend. Interestingly, he is my friend. मज़े की बात यह है कि वो मेरा दोस्त है. 8. I'll be back in a couple of hours. I'll be back in a couple of hours. मैं 1-2 घंटों में वापस आ जाऊँगा. 9. Let me do it. I have a quite experience about it. Let me do it. I have a quite experience about it. इसे मुझे करने दो, इसके बारे में मुझे बहुत तजर्बा है. The last one is 10. My hair is going grey. My hair is going grey. मेरे बाल सफ़ेद हो रहे हैं. यहाँ पर जो सफ़ेद वो वाइट, आप कहेंगे कि ये वाइट कहना चाहिए था सफ़ेद. तो ये बाल जब बुढ़ापे में आते हैं, बुढ़ापे वाले या किसी की कमज़ोरी की वजह से सफ़ेद होते हैं, उसे आप ग्रे कहते हैं, वाइट नहीं. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. For speaking English, join my WhatsApp group given in the description. English बोलने के लिए description में दिया गया मेरा WhatsApp group join करें. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.